आमकां विराट बाबांनी सांगलें की तुमी DGP कडल्यान फॉलोअप घेयता म्हणून. सद्या कितें सांगला DGP?
कित्याक हे DGP IGP सगळे जावं हे सगळे मरे हेंगेलो वी शूड नॉट टेक फॉलोअप फ्रॉम देम. इट इज देयर ड्युटी टू मेक शुअर दॅट दीस एलिमेंट जे आमकां धर्माच्या नांवान डिवायड करपाक प्रयत्न जे करता. This is not the first time. Few days back in Kankon, several places, there were law and order situation. गोंयचे communal harmony पाड घालपाक एक systematic plan हो प्रमोद सावंत आनी तेगेलो सरकारान केला. जेन्ना हो प्लॅन केला, the main reason is diversion from the real problem that the Goans are facing of unemployment. पयरू ताका सर्टिफिकेट मेळ्ळी of being the highest unemployed state, of the amount of corruption, Goa's crime rates, Goa's rapes. हे सगळे आज ह्या भ्रष्ट जुमला पार्टीन जो गोंयकार एक हिंदू मुस्लिम क्रिस्तांव हेजे स्पेशल आयडेंटिटी जे आमगेले सगळे पुर्वजान जे सांबाळलेले आनी खास करून गोंयच्या साहेबाक आख्खे जगभर लोक मानता, हिंदू भाव मानता, क्रिस्तांव भाव मानता, मुस्लिम भाव मानता. What was the reason for creating this spark, this ignition? It is the right-wing outfits of the Bhrasht Jumla party that are basically full in play to divide our communal peace. तांकां जातीच्या नांवान, खातीच्या नांवान, धर्माच्या नांवान हें राजकारण करपाचें आहा. कित्याक आमी गोंयकारांक म्हाका दिसता सगळ्यांक खबर आहा हें भ्रश्ट जुमला पार्टीचें करप्शन विथ द अमाउंट ऑफ कन्वर्जन्स, रेकलेस सेल ऑफ गोवा हें डायवर्ट करपाक. इफ यू सी द सिरीज ऑफ द लास्ट 10 days, द पॅटर्न they are not worried but they want to erode the DNA of गोंयकार. गोंयकाराचें जे ओरिजिनल DNA आमी भाव सगळे एकठांय आहा म्हणून आख्खे जगभर फामाद. दिस इज आवर युनिक आयडेंटिटी. हुंय ना हुंय दिस हॅपन्स ओन्ली ड्युरींग द BJP रेजीम. आमकां डिवायड करपाक जातीचे नांवान, खातीचे नांवान हे असले घातकी मनीस मुखार सरता. घातकी मनशाक म्हाका दिसता देव कितें आहा तें दाखयतलो. पूण द चीफ मिनिस्टर हॅज टू एक्ट. इफ यू कॅनॉट एक्ट यू हॅव टू रिजाइन. You have to act in the interest of Goa and Goans. We have demanded that arrest should happen immediately. I personally spoke to the Director General of Police in front of the people and he has assured after the affair that he would have been arrested. I don't understand, as Captain has said, whether this Velinkar is now in Mahalakshmi wate Panje? Mahalakshmi thing aha zala tingai choiche. Because this does not happen without the support. And the ruling dispensation is supporting this because they want to divide the peace and divide the communities in Goa.
So Mr. Velinkar has been regularly passing these comments and whatever and causing this disharmony among Goans and spoiling the peace. But with his arrest, will you be happy with his arrest or something has to be...
First of all, he has to be arrested, he has to be interrogated that who has allowed him and who has basically told him to make this statement. Exactly. Everything, his phone, his cell phone, his calls, everything needs to be confiscated. To whom he is speaking and who is giving him these instructions. Because I believe that Velinkar is just a small non-state actor. There are several other big sharks in this. हे बिग शार्क पण शेड्डे कसे थोडे आमदार आज भोंवता. शेड्डे कसे ह्या BJP सरकाराक सपोर्ट करता. I challenge them. Come out and show if you are really interested in the interest of Goa. Who is speaking against the government in the ruling? कोण उलयता? कोणूच उलयना. तर म्हाका दिसता की this is just a plot and we Goans, I give a call to all the Goans. आमचे बाय प्रतिमा जावं सगळे हिंगा they were responsible. They were there from 3 o'clock in the police station. Why have the people to come? This is a duty of the police. This is a duty of the Home Minister. This is a duty of the Chief Minister to make sure that all our brotherhood is protected. Every time we have to come on the roads. And for what? Why will a particular section or why will the minority? It happened even in Kankon. It happened in Kunkolim in my constituency where the president of the masjid was hit with a bat It took them time to register the FIR. So what sections have they put? Community jenna divide kota, these are very serious. It is a criminal section and we will not tolerate this.
मेरी बात तुम्ही सीएमआ बीन कॉल करपा ट्राय केल्लो.
See, I have called the Director General of Police because it is the duty of the police, and the police have told me that they would send a team to his house in wherever he is, huicha golin to aha, teka bhayar kadpachi garaz aha, ani he has to be probed as to who is giving him the dictation to do this criminal misdemeanor.
Are you happy with the police, whatever the sections
We are
have
not
been-
happy. That is why we are on the roads, you know. Otherwise, why would we be on the street?